Hey, it's Garth from Ecom Rebel, and we're back again live. So, what I want to talk about today, switch screens. Okay, that should be good. Excellent. All right. So, what I'm going to talk about today is how to find Shopify stores, which generally with drop shipping stores, they use Shopify. And a good way to discover these stores is to look for stores using Shopify. Okay, and what I want to do is cover a video on how to do that, because there's a lot of stores out there, but it's like, how do you know which ones are doing really well? And what makes a good store, and what are those sort of factors? So let's have a look. So the first thing we're going to do, open up a new browser and go my ip.ms. So this is the website you need to go to. Then what you need to do is you need to type in an IP address, and the one that you need is 23.227.38.32. Oh, and before I forget, if you guys are interested in drop shipping and e-commerce, you can always check out our community. We've got a community for all about e-com and drop shipping, and that's at ecomrebel.com, so you can check that out anytime. All right, so let's get back to it. So you type in this IP address and you press the button. Okay, and then what you want to do, you'll get to this page here. And there's a button that says Other Sites on IP. And you'll notice a little logo for Shopify. So we're actually connecting out, and we're looking at the Shopify server, and it has all the sites on it. And all we do is click on Other Sites on IP. And this will bring up a list. And this is a small list, about 15, but there's more. So we just click down the right-hand side where it says View All Records. So we click on that. And then we've got all these records, about 152,000 records. And you'll notice in this table, we've got World Site Popular Rating. So if we click that, that will then sort from the one that's most popular through to the ones that aren't. And essentially what this is doing is sorting by traffic to say, like, the most amount of traffic are the ones at the top. So the first one is myshopify.com. And if we click this little button here, it tells you how many visitors. So there's roughly 2.56 million visitors per day to that site. The second one here is ColourPop. And ColourPop, they're doing about 154,000 visitors a day. As you can go through the different ones, another 136,000. And you can go down the list. So you can check these out for yourself. And you'll see they're just going down with the ranking. And it's very accurate with the traffic. It is estimated, but it's from my experience, it's been pretty accurate from the reports that I've seen. So we keep scrolling down. I want to look for a general drop shipping store. Now I've actually checked out all these stores, and I sort of regularly do it to see what they're doing. And all these are basically e-commerce stores. They've got their own brand, and they're selling a branded product. And these are either most likely manufacturing themselves, and they would supply usually locally. They might ship worldwide, but they've definitely, wherever they're located, that's where they're sending their product from. So usually these guys aren't drop shipping, but these are some big e-com stores. But this one here, InspireUplift.com, they're in position 21 right now, and they're getting 23,800 visitors per day. So that's quite a few visitors. And the other day I was talking in a video about the amount of revenue per visitor, which is sort of like a general rule of thumb. So with 23,800 visitors at $1 per visitor, this store is doing between $23,000 and $25,000 revenue per day. So this gives you an idea of how well they're doing. So you just click on this little button here, and this will pop up the website and what it looks like. Okay, so this is Inspire Uplift, and I encourage you to check them out. They've got a Facebook page, and they do some really good videos. And as far as dropshipping goes, they've got new stuff, home, kitchen, household, gardening, all different categories. And essentially, they've got videos that they use to promote these products. But you can just scroll through here and have a quick look of the different products they do. And if you want to check out the videos, you just need to go to their Facebook page and check out the ads that they're running, or the posts that they put in the videos. Okay, so this is just a quick way of discovering these stores. So it doesn't take long to get to there. You can also bookmark this and come back to it anytime. But essentially, you can go through this list. If you do it one by one, you can actually then work out whether a general store or just a normal e-commerce store. And we keep going down the list. And just all you have to do is click on the next one, number 2, and this will take you to page 2 and load the next lot of sites to check it out. So yeah, that's how easy it is. And you can have a look for some of these, and you might want to take note of some of the stores that you're interested in and that have got different products on them. So this is well worth doing, because the ones that are in these top 100, for example, they are all doing the right things to get the traffic to their site. And it's up to you to work out what they're doing. And generally, it could be like Facebook advertising, could be Google advertising, all different things. They could be advertising on TV, some of the bigger ones, but they've all got their own different ways that they're advertising their products. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover with you. I will catch you guys soon later. Bye.